Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Rocks, and in this video it is a crystal collection video and I'm showing you the crystals that I got from Ellis Rose Crystals on Instagram. So I'll get all these crystals unwrapped and I'll show you what I got. Yay! So I got a purple fluorite tower where actually the purples within, and the top layer is this gorgeous sea green color, but my webcam just is not picking up that there's a gorgeous sea green color. It's picking up the purple a lot, but not the beautiful transparent sea green. But this is beautiful. I love it. Then I got another tower, and this got purple fluorite tile. This got a lot of the stripes and it's very geometric at the top, and then the bottom is like the layers of the sea, and it's like the seabed at the bottom, and it's got beautiful sea green to it. My webcam just is refusing to pick that up though, but it is gorgeous. I really love it. And then I got forbidden rhubarb. I got pink tourmaline. Now my webcam is rubbish at showing pink properly, but that's not actually, it's actually doing a fairly decent job with this piece. But it's tourmaline, pink tourmaline in its raw form. And it looks like yummy forbidden rhubarb. It looks delicious. It's gorgeous. So I love this. With them, they also packed the order with an extra tumble in the little bag with some crushed plant material. I think it's lavender or breeze, but I think this is a Prehnite tumble. which I'm really happy with because I read that Prehnite helps you understand how to declutter your house, which is definitely something I need help with. So yay. So now we'll do the close-ups and hopefully the webcam will pick up the colours a bit better. So yay. So this is the fluorite. My camera seems to have seems to be perfectly capable of picking up that there's purple, but it isn't capable of, refuses to see that there's a beautiful sea green to it. So I hope the supplementary photography I take will show you the true colours of this, because it's a beautiful sea green. But as you can see the stripy layers on it, and it's got sparkly vapory bits inside it, and it's beautiful. I'm really happy with it. Then this is the other tower I got. This is purple, but my camera, and this is that sea green and the purple is within the sea green. My camera seems to be going straight for the purple, bypassing all of the sea green colour. So I was just fiddling about with my webcam settings, and this is pretty much the best I could get. So hopefully you should have seen some decent photographs to show the actual colour. But it's beautiful, and I love seeing all the layers in the world, under the sea world inside Fluorite. Is gorgeous. And this is the raw Tourmaline, and it looks like big sticks of rhubarb, which is awesome. I didn't used to like rhubarb because I was forced to eat it at school, but then I realised I love rhubarb crumble and rhubarb pie and custard, and I like it again, and I thought this piece looked just yummy like rhubarb sticks. So this is Tourmaline as in the raw, and somebody pointed out the little bit that looks a bit blue too, so it could be an aquamarine, but whatever it's in, it is beautiful and gorgeous, and I love it. So then this is the tumble I got. I think it's my webcam's just rubbish with green. See, this is the Prehnite, and it's meant to help you to its properties are it's meant to help you declutter your home and to like figure out what it is that is to chuck away. So I kind of need that to help declutter my home, so I'm really happy with that. And then this is the little bag it came in. So I'm really happy with these crystals that I got, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Yay!